In this video, I will guide you on how to connect an Xbox controller to TCL TV. Now over here I do have a TCL Android TV, but this is going to work out for literally any TCL TV, whether it's the TCL Google TV, TCL Android TV like this one, or even the TCL Roku TV. And so quickly, what you want to do is to make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your TCL TV. So get your remote control and then navigate to the settings, usually at the top right of your TCL TV, whether it's the TCL Android, TCL Google, or any TCL TV. Now from the settings or gear icon over there, you want to just scroll all the way down and you're going to find the remote and accessories option on your TCL TV from the settings. Now tap on it, and if you're using the TCL Google TV at this point, at the top you're going to see the toggle button to turn on Bluetooth. But for TCL Android TVs like this one, you do not have to do anything at this point. The Bluetooth is already active and ready to be connected to any other device. If you're using the TCL Google TV, you might have to turn it on, and after that proceed to tap on the add accessories or pair new accessories from the Bluetooth settings over here. This is actually activating the Bluetooth, so click on OK. And now our TCL TV is searching for available devices. So go ahead and get your Xbox controller and then proceed to turn it on by long pressing on the Xbox logo over here. Now you can see it is turned on and the light is slowly flashing. But now to put it on pairing mode so that we can actually connect it with our TCL TV, you want to long press on the pairing button at the top of the Xbox controller over here. So just press and hold, give it a couple of seconds, and you're going to see the light start to beep very rapidly. Now at this point, you want to give your TCL TV a couple of seconds as well, and it should be able to find your Xbox controller. Now what you want to do is to just use your remote control and then select on it, give it a couple of seconds, and it will also pair with your Xbox controller. You can see the light is no longer beeping anymore. From my TCL TV over here, you can see that it is currently being connected. So at this point, with your Xbox controller connected with your TCL TV, you can play most games on the Google Play Store with just your controller. Okay, so this is me playing the Beach Buggy game on my TCL TV using my Xbox controller, and it works absolutely well. If you find this video useful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.